Hi guys, Kate from Packhelp here, and today I'm finally making my first unboxing video! What we've got today is a birthday box from Slimebox. It's quite heavy, and the great thing about it is it's just ready to go. Like, you don't have to really pack it for a birthday because of its very nice birthday box sleeve. On the bottom, like, not everyone will notice it straight away. I hope it's the right way around. Yes, hashtag Team Slimebox. So that would be the first hashtag to use if you're posting this anywhere. So let's go ahead and open it. Boom. On the back, you have a very nice photo of everything together and a list of items inside in 2 languages. And then there's also safety instructions. I really like this design. It's got a very nice sort of like color and just this positive summer vibe. Like, it feels warm when I look at these colors. Okay, and then there's this. Okay, first thing you see when you open it is a cotton bag. That's so adorable. It looks like you can colour in the box if you have those markers for fabric. Ah, here we go. Soft clay. That's like the first thing you want to dig your fingers in straight away, isn't it? You just want to... Okay. And next one is kinetic sand. It's blue, and it also looks like it could be pleasant to play around with in the hands. You've got your ordinary plastic jars for storing your slime in. Glitter! So shiny. So that's the first thing you want to add to probably any slime. Glitter just makes everything so much better. Activator for your slime. And you've got your metallic foam balls and a spatula for mixing your slime, I suppose. And this is probably what makes it so heavy. You've got your see-through and white PVA glue. God, my sister would love this. Like, if she could just dig into this and start mixing, she'd have so much fun. Yeah, and birthday box stickers. They're so cool because they're like in the style of everything. Like, everything is so consistent. It's got this like very nice style put together and in the same colors, and like every product has its own sticker to match the whole thing. We've also got some strawberry aroma and pink dye. So I guess you can also change the color of this thing. That's great. Oh, and never mind. Kidding. It's just baking soda. Super safe. So I guess that adds... I can't really imagine how that would look like, because baking soda sizzles, right? It makes bubbles. Maybe it makes bubbles in slime. Last super cute addition is happy birthday to and from. So you can already have a birthday card inside. But that would mean you have to open it before you give it to someone. So you better think of this before you give it to someone. So that completes the box. If you make slime yourself, super fun. Like, I totally get it now. Then you can show us in the comment section if you would like a box like this for your birthday. Also write that in the comment section and maybe tag someone who could get it for you for your birthday. I can't wait to get my hands into this. It's gonna be so fun. It's like I took chewing gum out of the mouth of a giant that was chewing this, and I'm just like, I'll see you on the next video.